Ebusuafo, mami mo bibia kwaba enfambra GCN page so. Mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Na wodo unsa emia bell ne so. Ubenya notification. Ene sa ne news e de betumbia ubenye bietie. Anase ubenye bia hwe. Ewo GCN page hamidi e de adwoa searching. Ora Koku Anyidoho eye NDC ni. Na Koku Anyidoho onanso ena oye CEO dima Ata Mills Institute na edensem ena Koku Anyidoho kanisem a okenya ne se eya His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo akukudura wanya se obesi hospitals eye bako 111 ede amagana fono sa akukuduru na onya na onfenzi mema no ntie ensem o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama eka mama no ntien because o mampani dada no se bia agrubu wonani so na de ntie Koku Anyidoho ka se ina ne se eye nanado de betu dwa se obesi hospitals da magana for eye agenda 111 no eye ade a o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama si entime mbaso nde entime mbaso ochna ene oda fem twe osre nanado chese nanado kwa no ho ye ne sere nanado no ho ye ne sere papa se nanado pa o do hyebo a o de chese ebo hyerela ne se wo hye saa yehuni ya woye sa ena o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama eka ewa abra His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo edeni nsem etu dwa se obesi hospitals 111 edi amagana for awatu din agenda 111 o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama se entumi mbem leno ena Koku Anyidoho a oye NDC nso ekyerese nana wodo woka woye ubetumi aye memfi o mampani dada ono se bia agrubu wonani so na adwempa ene trimipa wo magana fo no mana embrem na gana fo ye ni enwu na ensem sen ena newspaper ede eba embonten a eye Nit FM omo morning show omo yomo atunidin Ghana muntie so omo de etu dwa na sen ena ensem no ekoi
abusuafo da baka ta ya friend say chronicle anim na metine yi wade aba no wata say enra presiding member ya wo KMA ewo akumase edibetu da watre say obi amampani bayi ni say o meye meyo ewo kumase no say wantua ka wo mude no a sa nipa kro no wo mu betu atia no na no na democrat ya Victoria won wata say there be asam no papa ne kan no wanka ne ye kire se o reject mampani appointee ya eno nkire se wa solve sa problem no eda ho no no enti ebetumi ankasa asam no kura no o metensan afa tension ekoso wa akroso manso na wamu tesa ahemfu mienu ene wamu de ntokwasi ani oyene baako wamu tesa ensase a wo ho no ene wo sha da bekatra other side ni so obi pebidi aye one state one factory initiative sa waboa ono na epensa ase no aton eno ena ahemfo nkaye no e wodi other side ni tesa hini ha enkomba tua makorabo so mbe janu amana fasa ase 200 acres paade enya de bi president ya wo manso tie eboboba ewo akroso manso John Dramani Mahama edaha na mampani nanado agenda 111 no ena John Dramani Mahama esre mampani che ya wade ne mfoni ya betoa Koku Anyidoho enso atese sa project ye agenda 111 no o supporto eya de papa ebetumi aboa na wo man no apomuden etina ne nan so enti sa mampani se obesia ya sabia 111 ya Koku Anyidoho tese wo supporto na Ghana Legal Council ana Democrat yenim hodi aba no wetese sika bia esesanka kwada wo mufutuo mu no wo mu divert ye e de confer private account ya na nka ni kwan se wo mu ya saade no na Democrat tese wo bia wo mu nimu mra pa na wo mu bu mra so wo mu divert sika ya ban sika e de kogu private account mu a watasa na nya kwan paso mampani nanado ene wo ka kire adehia akohia no asa wono sabia constitution no yanya review wo ni nyina mu yansesa ni nyina de wo so wan support kura Sabia, constitution ya that way. Yasi and some wet today, and yen for fro, there be. And sir, na ye papa no kura de free mu, and Tianya botra once. Now, Proverbs chapter 17, verse 22 said the Tresam Kanye, a joyful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. A joyful heart is a good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Ya the Bokrate Yanimuha, what they are semi ababetuha. Now, the new crusading guide the Yanimuhan so. What the you tag for ababetua nipa wadahe aya.
Well, so you always have cynics. On any day, you have the cynics. But those cartoons and those stories did not stop President Mills from building yours. So all we are saying is that President Akufo Addo, the cynics will be there. It shouldn't stop you from building the thing. If you have the capacity and the wherewithal, just build it. For the Republic of Ghana. That's all, Marjorie.
But Koku, would you
people to even categorize you? Which one will be a no, your penny A plus, no, your penny Abraham, no, your penny Captain Smart, Grandpa, I've sent this on Guinica Cano, but I come to say cross over here. Oh, one of them on Pano Quench, I can't move Jimino. Was circumstance will be a and be a banner penny, which the generals of Umia or Bana or Twitter and Caljon, or two phones too, so now they're there. I work a sacramento and in our camp. Okay, can't still be brain here, or that's a when you guys just some of you just want to come live, just to come and talk for people to watch you. Charlie, Ghana pass there. Oh, Charlie. The nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The Munya Sadman across Ghana. And then young guy before Funa, no, yeah, Akufo Addo, no, yeah, Mahama, no, yeah, way, no, yeah, NDC, no, yeah, NPP. So you guys want to depend on the government? You guys want to depend on the government? You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job? Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any business never. The government must fix the roads. The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Kromo say you make book America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now more set up something. More can be you among Ghana. Ghana for good also. There's no country much to Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on by. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize, no, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. So, we catch on certain piano. Oh my God, Murphy. So, and the science of so the Munyai, because my first year, no, Japan, but so. And then the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I only pass a Quran actually say many penny bupani. I only say Bible actually say many penny bupani. But because of politics, it's more be politics, be some more politics. Be abusing Ghana, be abusing Africa. And I'm more politics like Jim Musa, youth amoba. When I'm saying future leaders. Everything I'm what they call no. Or be a phone, no, yeah, penny. They just take their phones, they come live, number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are some Jimmy Salmon. And then you are some Jimmy Salmon. Now, oh, can you say, man, I say about online? No, no, man, I see a comment. To say, Jimmy say, Jimmy, if you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, yeah, we are school, you know, or your banner, a banner, be beer buying. Be beer buying. The Cocan almost saying, it's a butcher, and Honey Casa, Yemetragana. Jimmy Sam say ya now cause obi an to come America has say ya nipa no e buy because of a hardship na some of us say wow you were Jimo Ghana crofo here yes so go school yes even though it's here say no we are citizens so but we don't plan to stay here yeah plan say about town Ghana nti ade esuan po no nya say yensuan ade bia e normal e common yesuan ne ebi ni Ghana ye buy we tell bo man no the benamo mo bakro mo say ya na mo ma say bia o say mo nyin Ghana ho biem